after the hurricane. Not too bad. No power outages. Minimal, well, actually, no flooding. Of course, had cars. Had to make sure it's fully charged before it hit. These came with the house. Thank you to the previous owners. Around the back, luckily nothing, no damage. We flipped all the stuff over so it wouldn't get messed up. Thank you, Hurricane, for filling up my pool some more. So I had to use my water. Covered stuff up with tarp that needed it. Hot tub's good. Luckily none of the panels came up off of the gazebo. Now hopefully none of those residual tornadoes pop up and hit our house. And we should be good. Thank you to everybody that was checking up on me. I appreciate it. Solar battery pack just in case the power did go out, so I could power my house through the power of the sun.